It can be a small idea, it can be a stupid idea, it can be a funny idea, but you should at least try once in your lifetime. Because why am I saying that? That when you get into a job, when you get married, there would come a time in your life, at that time it will become very important for you that something which is creative within you is there, which has been explored before and which can find expression anytime in life. Either your age is 20 or 22 or 24, or you are in school or you are in graduation, whatever stage of your life you are at, before getting into a job, before getting married, there are three most important things that I would suggest you that you should at least try once in a life before getting into the job and marriage. Because it is very important for you to understand that once you get married, once you get into a job, it is very important for you that you would not be able to find the time that you may have today. I understand that you are in studies, but still, the kind of freedom which you have before marriage, the kind of freedom which you have before getting into a job is never ever possible later. You can even try and observe people who have been in the jobs and people who are married. Their life is so succumbed that their life is only on Saturdays and Sundays. They have no other life at all in their life. If they want to do something for their body, if they want to do something for their mind, if they want to do some kind of special course for their personal development, if they want to do something for their family, they do not even have enough time to do all those things because they are so preoccupied with the things which their jobs demand. So it is very important for you to understand that before you get into job and before you get married, it is important for you to try these three things in your life. Point number one is that you should try something creative in your life. Either it is a small idea or it is a big idea. I'm not saying that you must invest some kind of money or this and that. If you have 2,000 bucks or 4,000 bucks or 10,000 bucks, depending upon your capacity, whatever the possibility you have, at least once in your life before you get married and into the job, you should try something which is creative. You should try something which relates to your aptitude and your interest, and you can do it at a very small level. And I am not saying that you should do it because you want to become successful in that, or you should do it because you want to do something big in your life. You should try to do it because you somehow just want to nourish and express the creativity which is there within you. So it is important for you that you can just observe around in the society and people and see what kind of creative idea, small idea that you can produce to the people, that it can bring solution to the society, it can bring solution to the people, it can bring solution to the country. It can be a small idea, it can be a stupid idea, it can be a funny idea, but you should at least try once in your lifetime. Because I want you to understand that either it is Ola or it is Uber or it is Facebook or it is Amazon or it is Flipkart, all these things were somebody's idea. All these things were created only because when they saw some kind of problem into the society, when they realized that people have this kind of problem and that kind of problem, they somehow tried to create a small idea, and which became so big later. So again, I am reminding you that you should not do it because you want to become big. You should do it because you want to express your creativity, you want to nourish your creativity for some time. Because why am I saying that? That when you get into a job, when you get married, there would come a time in your life when maybe you would not be able to enjoy the things that you would be doing at that time. At that time, it will become very important for you that something which is creative within you is there, which has been explored before and which can find expression anytime in life. Point number two, to remember that before you get married and into the job, you should get initiated into any kind of meditative practice. Either it is a big practice or a small practice, or it is advanced practice, or it is a basic practice. There are so many organizations in this world who actually teach a lot of meditative practices. So before you get into marriage and job, it is important for you that you get initiated into some kind of meditative practice and make it a part of your life. And no matter what, that you will have to do it for so long. You can just do meditation for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, for 15 minutes, for half an hour, depending upon whatever kind of situation you are in. Third very important point before you get into marriage and job is that you should at least once in your life try volunteering. When I say volunteering, it does not mean that you have become a full-time volunteer or something like that. You can just try it for one day, you can try it for 2 days, you can try it for a week or a month or year, whatever is your practical situation. And I'm not saying that you should go to some spiritual organization and become a volunteer there. You can become volunteer in a social organization, you can become volunteer in a government organization, you can become volunteer even in a small function which is happening in your community. But it is very important for you that you should do some volunteering before you get into a job or in your marriage. Why am I saying you? Because at least once in your lifetime you should do some kind of work for which you are not expecting anything in return. Because if you observe most of the people today who are running here and there, they are just doing all kinds of crazy things in their life because they are expecting in returns. But what will happen is, when you get into the job, when you get married and you become a responsible person in the society, you get into the social situations, many times in your life it will happen that if you have a nature of volunteering in your life and in your heart, it will become very easy for you to do the things in your family. It will become very easy for you to do the things in your society without expecting too much of the returns all the time. Today, biggest problems which are happening between relationships of the family, which are happening between the relationships of the people, simply because there is too much of expectations all the time. If they do something, they want something in return. So it is very important for you that at least once in your lifetime, before you get married or you are in the job, you should try volunteering. So these are the 3 important things that I just wanted to tell you, that before you get into the marriage and job, you should try at least one creative idea which can bring some kind of small or big solution to the society. Point number 2 is that you must get initiated into some kind of meditative practice. And point number 3 is that you should at least try volunteering for some time. Either it is 1 day or 1 month or 1 year, depending upon your situation and availability, you must try. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.